In this step, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for attaching our white ground wire. I have our white ground wire right here with plenty of slack on it. What I'm going to do is take and strip it back and attach a eyelet to it. Just like so. That should be enough. This is an electrical connector eyelet. As you can see why they call it an eyelet. It's a round spot with a hole in it. Take and twist my wiring down and slip it through. As you can see, I slid my wiring through the small hoop on the metal. That's that piece right inside there. You're going to want to make sure your wiring goes all the way through that hoop. That's where you get your connection at. From there, I'm going to take and crimp it with my terminal pliers. Alright, I'm going to give it a tug to make sure it stays in place. Now we're going to take and drill a hole in the frame with a self-tapping. This is a drill head screw. The reason why I like to use these if I'm drilling and mounting a ground wire is that they drill the hole exactly the size that they want. Alright, I'm going to take and put it on my screw gun and begin drilling the hole. I'm going to drill the hole all the way through before I put my grounding eyelet on it. I'm going to blow some of the metal out of the way there and go back at her. The reason why you're going to blow that metal out of the way is you don't want your screw bit to be chewing up the same metal that it's already cut once. Alright, once we have our hole drilled, I'm going to take and insert my retaining bolt into the hole along with my eyelet and screw it down tight. Right there, and give it a wiggle, make sure it's tight. What we're going to do is take and tuck our wires out of the way until we need to use them. That is the proper way to drill and mount your grounding wire for your utility trailer wiring package.